Hello and welcome to this ISAKOS tutorial. Today I'm going to give you an overview on how to use the ISAKOS app for the 2023 ISAKOS Congress. We have created chapters to specific topics to make it easier for you to find something you might be looking for. Feel free to skip ahead if you're looking for something specific. The first thing we need to do, if you haven't already done so, is to download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Just open the store and search ISAKOS. It should be the first thing that comes up. Click Install. Once the app is installed, go ahead and open it from your app list. To get the full benefits and capabilities of the app, you'll want to log in. Click the person icon in the upper left-hand corner to open the login window. To log in, you're going to use the same email and password as your isakos.com login. Once completed, you should be ready to explore the 2023 Congress event page. From the main menu of the app, click on the 2023 Congress banner to enter the Congress event. This is the homepage for the ISAKOS Congress in the app, where you will navigate to whatever you need. Starting from the top, we have the Congress at a glance. This is a quick calendar view of the main events happening at Congress. If you need to see something larger, you can pinch to zoom or pinch to shrink. Next is the Congress Event Guide. This is a more in-depth look at the offerings at the 2023 ISAKOS Congress. Here, you can find general meeting information, highlights, and a quick overview of the map of the convention center. The next section is Sessions. Here is where you will find a list of every session happening at Congress. You can see all the sessions you have added to your personal schedule in the My Sessions tab. You can also click on the three bars in the upper right-hand corner to open the filtering menu, where you can choose to sort sessions by date, track, notes, or locations. If you select locations, you will be able to see all the sessions happening in that room you choose. Jump to a different room by clicking on the filter bars again and select Jump to another location. If you click into a session, you will be able to see all the details for that session, including the date, time, location, any subsessions connected to it, as well as the topics covered in the session. If you're trying to find out where a session is, simply click on the location for that session and it will show you on the interactive map where that session is being held. If you want to ask questions to the presenters, select Have a Question. Click on the plus symbol in the lower right to bring up the question submission box. Type the question in the field, select a speaker, and click Submit. It's that simple. If you need to take notes on a session, there is also a notepad at the bottom of each session page. And finally, if you wish to rate a session, click Rate this session. Then click on the stars you wish to award that session and click Submit. Back in the main menu, the next session is Event Evaluation. This will bring you to your My Congress page and allow you to submit your event evaluation from here. Next is Speakers. This is a list of all the presenters and speakers at Congress. Next, Tracks is another way to sort and filter sessions. Tracks will allow you to search by type of session or by anatomical location. Very handy if you're looking for something specific. The floor plan is the interactive map for the convention center. You can navigate by floor, and starting on the exhibitor level, you can see a layout of all the booths at Congress. By selecting a booth, you can see what company or organization is at that booth and their full details. The session levels will allow you to see all the rooms hosting sessions. By selecting a room, you can see all the sessions being held within that room. The exhibitors list is a list of all the exhibitors at Congress. If you click on an exhibitor, you can see all their details, and by selecting their booth number, it will take you back to the interactive map where you can see where they're located. Connect is our in-app messaging system where you can keep in contact with your colleagues and friends at Congress. Alerts is where you'll receive notifications and messages from ISAKOS while at Congress. The Game Zone is the main hub for the ongoing game we will all be playing at Congress. You can come here to see your current stats and place in the leaderboard. You can also check the game rules to see how you can earn more points. There are some fantastic prizes, so have fun and earn those points. If you need translation services during a session, Select Wordly Translation Services from the main Congress menu. Then select the room the session is in, and select your language from the drop-down menu, and click Attend. You will start seeing the translation in the text field, and if you have headphones, you can hear the translation by clicking on the speaker icon. Finally, we have the FAQ page. This will have all the answers to all the remaining questions you have for the ISAKOS Congress. And if you have a question that isn't answered here, please feel free to come to the ISAKOS booth or the ISAKOS help desk, and we will be happy to assist you. And thank you again for joining us at the 2023 ISAKOS Congress.